Ndewo. Welcome back to Learn Igbo channel. If you're new here, my name is Yvonne Mbanefo, and here we provide resources to help you learn Igbo language, Igbo culture, history, and heritage. In this video, we're going to tackle the question, what is the meaning of Jisike? Jisike comes from when you split the word up. It means to hold on to or to hold tight. So Jide is hold, Ike is power. So Jisike means hold on tight. And so what is the real meaning of Jisike? Jisike is basically giving a word of encouragement to someone in a difficult situation or challenging situation. And Jisike basically means strive hard or persevere or hang in there, stay strong, good job, keep pushing, more grease to your elbow, don't give up, and hold on tight. And so the situations where you can tell someone Jisike or someone can tell you Jisike are situations like maybe someone is doing something challenging and you're walking past and you just see what they're doing and you tell them Jisike. So you're basically telling them, encouraging them to keep at what they're doing. Or you see someone studying or doing work that is particularly challenging, or you notice they're getting fed up. You tell them Jisike. You see someone doing something that they're not used to and they're getting fed up or tired. You just tell them Jisike. Or someone that is bereaved and is struggling with emotions. You tell them Jisike. Again, someone that is ill or feeling has a kind of illness or is in pain, you can tell them Jisike. Or someone that for example has put in a lot of work and then gets frustrated, or maybe the whole work they've done has just disappeared, you just tell them Jisike. Or like some you find that this person's been doing this thing over and over again, and then they're not quite where they're supposed to be, you just tell them Jisike. Now that you can get a sense of different times when you can use Jisike. And as we come to the end of this video, I would like to tell you Jisike in your learning of Igbo language, Igbo culture, and Igbo history. So if you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. Komesia Jisike.